So this table of values is for problems 22 and 23. And let's just read some of this stuff. These are annual budgets for different programs in Kansas. So agricultural programs, education programs, general government, highways and transportation, human resources, public safety. From the years 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, and this is the number of different programs they have under those categories. And it says here, the table lists the annual budget in thousands of dollars. Oh, so this is the amount of money they spend on those programs. Okay. And 6 different programs in Kansas from 2007 to 2010. Question number 22 says, which of the following best approximates the average rate of change in the annual budget from agriculture from 2008 to 2010? Well, so when they say the average rate of change, it's going to be from 2010 over or minus 2008, right? So the average rate of change is slope. Okay? And my 2010 looks crazy. You can't make out what it is. So it's 2010 minus 2008 all over. Now I got to look up those values. So agricultural in 2008, I have 358,708, and then I have 488,106. So I'm going to say 488,000. Was it 106? Yeah, 106, because that's what it was in 2010 minus the 358,708. And you can plug that in the calculator, and that's what we will do. Maybe. I'm trying to make it smaller so you can see it on the screen. I'm not having the best of luck with that. All right. So you can't. It's very frustrating sometimes. So let's just plug the numbers in. I've got. I'm going to do in parentheses 488,106 minus 358,708 close parentheses divided by, what's 2010 minus 2008? 2. So I get 64,699. What's that the closest to? Probably B, right? Does B? B. All right, now we're going to kind of do a similar thing. It says, of the following, which program's ratio in the 2007 to 2010 budget is closest to the human resources program ratio of 2007 to 2010? So now we got to figure out which ratio is the closest. So let's just do the human resources. So you're going to say 2007 to 2010 ratio. So you're going to take this and compare it to this. All right. Now what you could do, you could approximate that if you wanted to. This is very close to 4, and this is very close to 6. That reduces down to 2/3. Right? This is 2007 over 2010. That's what ratio means, right? So now one of them is very similar. So you got to look at this. This is like 3/5 if you were to approximate it. This is like, actually this would be like 4/5, because this would be close to 4 and this would be close to 5. Not quite what we're looking for. This one's pretty close to 2/3. That would be like 2 million. This would be like 3 million. Isn't that close to 2/3? Let's see if education is on there. Yeah. B. Now, if you were to do, like, you could plug those numbers in a calculator, and the decimal would be very close to like 0.66 or something like that. be very close. And among those would be the closest. This is the general government is almost a 1-to-1 ratio. It'd be like 14 to 15. This one is like 2 to 2. This one is like 1/2 approximately. So the only one that's the closest is education. Does that make sense? Okay. What does that look on your face?